Hello, I would like to buy a new bulldozer. Can you help me?
Hello, my name is Simon. I am a caterpillar specialist. What do you want of bull model?
What is your latest model?
Yes, our latest model is the D11.
I want something tough. What is the engine power?
On the D11, we have a caterpillar motor named C32. The engine power of this motor is 712 kilowatts. It's almost 950 horsepower.
What is the capacity of the fuel tank?
The fuel tank capacity is 1,800 liters.
What is his working weight?
It's a really big bulldozer, so he's really heavy. He weighs 104 tons.
Does it have multiple speeds?
Yes, he does multiple speeds. So we have 3 speeds in forward and 3 speeds in reverse.
Can you give me the capacity of the universal blade?
Yes, the universal blade capacity is 34.4 cubic meters.
How many rollers are there on each side?
The bulldozer have 8 rollers per side, so on the 2 tracks we have 16 rollers.
How many shoes on each tracks?
On the track chain we have 41 shoes per side, so on the 2 tracks we have 82 shoes.